Have you ever wondered how mango seed butter is made? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to embark on a journey into a secret that's been hiding in plain sight, a star ingredient in the natural skincare industry: mango seed butter. This butter, derived from the humble seed of the mango fruit, is causing quite a stir, and for good reason. Its popularity is soaring, with growing demand from all corners of the globe. But what makes it so special? The beauty of mango seed butter is not just in its skin-loving properties, but also in its simplicity. Believe it or not, the process of making this butter is relatively straightforward and can be done right in your own kitchen. So if you've ever been curious about the world of natural skincare products and how they're made, you're in for a treat. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of creating this incredible skincare product. So how do we turn a mango seed into a luxurious butter? The answer lies in a meticulous, step-by-step process that transforms a humble mango seed into a nourishing and hydrating elixir for your skin. First, we start with the extraction of the seed from the mango fruit. This is done by carefully cutting around the pit of the mango, revealing the seed inside. It's a bit like finding a pearl in an oyster, only this pearl has the potential to make your skin glow. Once we have the seed, it's time to dry it. This step is crucial as it removes the moisture content and prepares the seed for the next stage. The drying process is like a sunbath for the seed, basking it in natural heat and imbuing it with a sun-kissed energy. Next, we roast the dried mango seed. Roasting is where the magic begins to happen. It brings out the natural oils and nutrients hidden within the seed, readying them to be released into the butter. It's akin to unlocking a treasure chest of goodness for your skin. The roasted seed is then ground into a fine powder. This powder is the base of our mango seed butter, rich with the essence of the mango seed. Finally, the powder is mixed with a carrier oil. This oil acts as a vessel, carrying the nutrients from the mango seed directly to your skin. The result is a luxurious, nutrient-rich butter that hydrates, nourishes, and rejuvenates your skin. And voila! You have made your very own mango seed butter. But why go through all this effort to make mango seed butter? Well, the answer lies in its remarkable benefits. Mango seed butter is a natural moisturizer, replete with antioxidants that fight off skin-damaging free radicals. Its nourishing properties cater to your skin's needs, leaving it soft and glowing. The best part? It's all natural, chemical-free, and kind to your skin. With its numerous benefits and simple production process, mango seed butter is indeed a gem in the world of natural skincare. So why not try making your own today?